Mm.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, yung river na yun, famous yun.
Hmm?
Sa ano, river walk din siya.
Ah, the river.
Pero mamaya, dito na tayo, papuntang JR naman tayo. So, papauwi naman. Pero, siyempre saan dito na tayo, let's go to the bamboo forest. Sayang naman. You say na, oh, nagkakita ng bamboo forest.
Let's see.
Dito during Pura. So beautiful, yeah. Ito mga to, lot of flowers. Pero yung kanina sa mga bus station, did you see parang mga puno-puno na during autumn, that is yellow. Looks so beautiful too.
The crab. And then when he sat
That's
down.
the purpose of that. I'm talking about doing our own.
Saga, sabi niya, ang pinaka-last niya para Saga Station.
Oh.
Yung sasakyan natin mamayang bus ay JR. Yan, lahat yan. It's all flowers. It's so nice to ang napunta nyo is so because this is the only time you come
Okay lang.
No, kasi this time, dapat pati siya.
Oh really?
Naan nga po. Naggastos sa sa Hawaii. Hawaii was not planned.
Ang galdo na, Hawaii.
And yung kinasal si Kenneth Uy, what the hell?
Hindi nga ganyan, follow yun. Sabi mo pumasok. Sa trabaho ko maraming ganyan.
What is it?
Fruit flies?
Oh, fruit flies.
Is that electrical?
Yeah.
Sounds like it, right?
Yeah, hybrid.
That sound? No, meron pa dito na meron dito dyan.